Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to connect Google Calendar to GoHighLevel. Step-by-step guide without further ado. Let's get started. 1. Log in to GoHighLevel. The first step in the integration process is to access your GoHighLevel account. Here's how. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoHighLevel dashboard by visiting app.gohighlevel.com. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password, and click Sign In. If you have two-factor authentication or 2FA enabled, complete the verification process by entering the authentication code sent to your email or mobile device. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard where you can manage various settings, including calendar integrations. 2. Navigate to Calendar Settings. After logging in, proceed to configure your calendar settings. Locate the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Within the Company Settings section, find and select Calendars. This section allows you to manage all scheduling-related features, including integrations with external calendars such as Google Calendar. 3. Integrate Google Calendar. To establish a connection between GoHighLevel and Google Calendar, follow the steps. Within the Calendar settings, look for the Integrate with Google Calendar button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to sign in into your Google account. Choose the Google account you wish to connect. If you are not already signed into your Google account, enter your email and password. Once signed in, Google will request permission for GoHighLevel to access your calendar. These permissions include viewing and editing calendar events, accessing event details, syncing scheduled appointments across platforms. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. At this point, your Google Calendar should be linked to your GoHighLevel account. However, additional setup is required to fine-tune the synchronization settings. 4. Set up Calendar Sync. After successfully connecting your Google Calendar, you need to configure the synchronization settings. A list of available Google Calendars associated with your account will appear. Select the specific calendar you want to sync with GoHighLevel. Adjust the following settings to optimize the integration. Availability settings. Define your working hours and specify the time slots when appointments can be scheduled. Time zone settings. Ensure your time zone is correctly configured to avoid scheduling conflicts. Appointment types. If you use different event types, categorize them appropriately to maintain organization. Two-way sync. Enable the feature if you want changes made in GoHighLevel to reflect in Google Calendar and vice versa. Once all preferences are set, review them carefully to confirm accuracy before proceeding. 5. Save changes. The final step is to save the configured settings to complete the integration. Click the Save button to apply all changes. GoHighLevel will process the integration and display a confirmation message indicating that the Google Calendar sync was successful. To verify, navigate to your Google Calendar and check if GoHighLevel events and appointments are reflected. Similarly, test by creating a new appointment in GoHighLevel and confirming that it appears in your Google Calendar. Troubleshooting common issues. If you encounter issues during the integration, consider the following solutions. Google account not listed. Ensure you are logged in into the correct Google account before initiating the integration. Permission denied. If Google Calendar does not sync, check your Google account settings and verify that GoHighLevel has the required permissions. Events not syncing properly. Refresh both platforms and check your internet connection. Also verify that two-way sync is enabled. Time zone mismatch. Adjust time zone settings in both Google Calendar and GoHighLevel to ensure alignment. In conclusion, integrating Google Calendar with GoHighLevel in conclusion, integrating Google Calendar with GoHighLevel is a straightforward process that enhances your scheduling efficiency and automation capabilities. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.